So I am finally here with my room tour video. I know मैंने बहुत पहले का promise किया था, but I was not really happy with how my room turned out after that room makeover vid. But now I'm finally happy with how everything is looking. Also, I put LED light strips, which I'm super happy about. So yeah, so now I will show you guys how my room is looking and everything. So yeah, let's get started with the room tour video. Also, I am a Pinterest girl, so aesthetic is very important for me. So now my room is aesthetically very pleasing and practical at the same time. So the first thing is this. I have a candle, a small Christmas tree which I DIY myself, and a body lotion over this wooden something, and I colored that. Also, I have this. I DIY'd this as well. I put some jungli घास वगैरह, and my sister put this flower and this घास. I drew some Christmas tree and I wrote merry and bright because why not? It's Christmas, so yeah, for the Christmas vibe. And next we have our work area where I work. So I have a water bottle, a candle from Miniso. This smells really divine. I love this. इतना ख़त्म भी हो चुका है. And then उसके side में I have this घड़ी. I painted this myself. And I have this मिठाई का, we call it भाड़. So उसको भी मैंने paint किया है. And I have some rings and hairpins. Then I have my drawing copy, my sticker sheets, diaries, everything. And then I have my laptop here. I designed this. I am planning on selling these. So yeah, this is a closer view of the sticker set. Then I have my pen tab where I design things like this. I painted this 2 mugs. इसमें मेरे pens, इसमें मेरे miscellaneous things are. Then I have this where I have my nail paints, hairpins, lip balms, fabric color, and a pocket perfume. I don't know why that's there. Then I have this, जिसमें I have my wipes, my moisturizer, nail paint remover, under eye cream, mask वगैरह वगैरह है. And yeah, यही सारी चीज़ें हैं. And then I have this girl boss thing. I ordered this from Amazon. Then I have, and then the light strips जो मेरे पापा लेके आए. Then I have my bed. This 2-way cover is from Amazon. I bought this bed sheet from Kashmir, I think, to cushion to match with this. And yeah, you can see everything. I have this, and I use this for keeping my sweater and blankets also. And then I pinned some nails to hang my jewelries. And I have this hairband hanging in here and a bag. Yeah, this is what it is looking. I am obsessed with this leather. Then I have this mirror. I get it made from a local uncle, carpenter uncle. So this is how it looks. Also, I painted some flowers and clouds. Where is the cloud? Here. I painted this. Also, ये मेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा है. This is like 5 feet 7 inch. So yeah. And I have a plant here. I don't know why मेरा क्रीम यहाँ पे रखा हुआ है. This is a palm, I think. Yeah. और जो दूसरा वाला प्लांट था, that is. Then I have this pouch here. This is my makeup pouch. मैं फटाफट यहाँ से निकाल के अपना मेकअप कर लेती हूँ अगर मेरे को करना हो तो. And then I have this IKEA stool here. Moving on to the windows. This curtain is from Amazon as well. These lights are from Amazon, and I DIY'd this hanging thing by myself. Some nail in this ladder ताकि मैं अपने ज्वेलरीज रख सकूँ. Let's talk about the wall. This is the wall. ये काफ़ी खाली खाली था and बिल्कुल black था जैसे ये सब हैं. So I paste these things here. So first I bought this set of whatever this is from Amazon. This was in a set of 10. बाकी के 5 इस side है. And then I did some CD art, like something, then something. And then I put some pictures over here. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. And I hope you guys got some inspiration क्योंकि इस रूम में काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो मैंने DIY करके बनाई है cause I was very low on budget. And also जितनी भी ये सारी चीज़ें हैं I was buying them last 5 months. So मैंने थोड़ी थोड़ी करके चीज़ें ली थी. मेरे को पहले ही बाल बांध लेने चाहिए थे. I'm looking much better like this. Please ignore my hair. बहुत ज़्यादा सर दर्द है मेरे बाल. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you like it, मैं अपने videos पे नहीं बोलती लेकिन I think I should say this more often. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I am really sorry कि मैं active नहीं थी काफ़ी दिन से. So now अब से I will post every Monday. So please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.